Hello, I am Dr. Krishan Chhabra and welcome to Anokhe Rang. Let me start with a riddle. Here is a pencil sharpener and here is a pencil. So, what did the pencil sharpener say to the pencil? Stop going in circles and get to your point. So true. I am sure you all have seen and heard people who just go blah 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 and keep going on and on like an Energizer bunny before making a point, if any. And that we all know is annoying and frustrating. And that brings me to today's topic, what's your point? And why is that important? We all know that time is a precious commodity. People have busy lives and do not have time to listen to long conversations, speeches, or read long articles and reports. Remember, brevity is a great virtue. Be it a simple conversation within a family, informal discussion with a friend, or a formal presentation or meeting in a group or at work. We all want it to be brief and to the point. Even the written material, informal or formal, needs to convey the point in a simple, concise, and easy to understand manner. There are numerous resources on the internet and others such as books, articles, and videos that explain how to make a point. I have looked at a couple of books on this subject. I found that a majority of the attributes in these books are similar, although there's a variation in terms of presentation, structure, and emphasis. The first book is titled How to Get Your Point Across in 30 Seconds or Less by Milo O. Frank, published in 1986. The author starts off by saying that the average attention span of individuals is 30 seconds. The second book is titled Make Your Point by Kevin Carroll and Bob Elliott, published in 2009. The third book is titled Get to the Point, Sharpen Your Message, and Make Your Words Matter by Joel Schwartzberg, published in 2017. And the fourth book is Communication Secrets for a Distracted World. You Have Got 8 Seconds by Paul Hellman, published in 2017. The author starts off by saying that in 2015, Microsoft did a study on attention spans. The conclusion? Surprise! You now have a short attention span than a goldfish. 8 seconds. Ouch! That sure adds to the pressure that we already have in making a point. So let me share key attributes and tips based on these books. Your point. It must be clear and focused. What do you want to achieve? You must have a point, otherwise everything you say is pointless. Make your point and stick to it. Winston Churchill said, if you have an important point to make, don't try to be subtle or clever. Hit the point once, then come back and hit it again. Then hit it a third time, a tremendous whack. Your audience, capture their attention and keep it. Think from their perspective. Remember the phrase, what is in it for me? How is it going to benefit the audience? What action or response do you want from them? Your hook. You must have an attention grabber hook, a statement or a sentence such as a headline in a newspaper. Use imagination, paint a picture, tell a compelling story, use analogy. These are powerful hooks that will captivate the audience. Your language. It should be simple, clear, and easy to understand. Avoid gobbledygook. Get rid of qualifiers like maybe, probably, and nonsense words like like. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. Albert Einstein. Your presence. Be confident. Show energy, enthusiasm, and drive. Make eye contact. Pay attention to your body language. Act the way you want to feel, and soon you will feel the way you act. Anonymous. Beautiful. Remember, your first impression is very important. Make it count. I tend to make up my mind about people within 30 seconds of meeting them. Richard Branson. I hope you will find these practical nuggets and tips helpful in making your point, not only in your day-to-day life, but also in a casual and formally professional settings. Wishing you a very happy new year. May the life bring you the very best in good health, joy, peace, and prosperity. And yes, make your point and make it well all the time. Please join me again next month for another segment of Anokhe Rang. Namaskar.